Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Mini Thunderdome. We're live. It is December 19th, 2023. Hope everyone's doing well. As always, this is pure entertainment. Not liable for anyone's losses or damages to PAs, life accounts, or evaluations. Supposed to be doing your own homework. Trying to see if we all correlate. All right. Having a rough time this morning. Trying to make my money back. I'm negative about 580. I was negative 1,000. Made some of it back, and it looks like I'm going a little deeper in the hole here. I had a target of 73.61, and I went short, and it popped all the way up. And then I went long again, which I'm long now. Yeah. All right, let's see. So I have a hot target of 74.01. I also have a target of 71.70. But I'm seeing signs that it wants to go up a little more. All right. Yeah, I may go even as high as 74.34. I'll just be happy to make some of this money back here. I may split it again. So it looks like the market is already starting the holiday funk. Very slow start. Overnight range was very small range. Yesterday, beautiful finish, the end of the day. I did have a target of 72.42, but I never thought that I would even get close to that. If you guys recall, my last hot target was 73. I exited all of that short at 31, so ended up super nice day, but it was the micro, so didn't add a whole lot. But yeah, awesome day yesterday. Market was following all of the patterns. Very easy day to read, but not today. So today is a different ball game here. All right, just had two icebergs, 100. POC has been everywhere. Really ugly distribution this morning. But it is on the side of discovering higher prices. So let's see if we can get a bounce off of 31. Oh, hold on one sec. I need to fix something here. All right, now it's fixed. All right. Yeah. So I added I was long 3 and I added 3 more at 37. Scaled in. I may split this again and bring everything up to 93, or I may only clear one or two at 66. We'll see. Come on, buyers, let's go. So we need to hot knife 49 and then 57. If we could do that, I think we'll see my 66. So 57 all the way to 49. Where my prior target was. So anytime there's a target, it will hold as support and resistance for a little bit, but every time it goes through it, then it means that volume gets filled, so it gets less and less. It becomes less and less as support or resistance. Same thing with, a double bottom or double top. All right, come on, come on. All right, now we're starting to get some alignment here. So now I believe this is starting to look like a wave B up if we could pass this 57. Wish I could add another 3 at 48, but I'm not going to. It's one of the rules I try not to break, is to overextend myself with contracts, even if I'm negative, because it could always turn against you, and you turn a bad day into a horrible, I would say, life-changing day, right? I mean, you could blow an account, which I have done in the past. All right, I think I'm going to reduce my risk here. I'm just going to split this on the stop side. Yeah, very large contracts have been flat for most of the session. So I consider very large anything above 65, and then large orders I consider anything above 25, and then small, I would say 1 to 6 contracts. So this morning, large has been very active, but not very large. So very large, I would consider all of the hedge funds and props out of Geneva. If you don't know, the biggest oil trading firms, not counting banks or hedge funds, are all out of Geneva. They're about, what is it? Is it 5 or is it 6? I don't recall their names, but they're all out of Geneva. But as well, as we all well know, crude trades worldwide, so you have banks in each time zone. And then you also have OPEC, which hedges itself, and all of the other conglomerates that are almost positive here, that trade crude to hedge. All right, here we are inside the hot box. So I don't want this to go and turn into a wave 2 to the downside. So to the upside, I have either, I would say, in between, where is it? Let me get this right here. So I would say that all of this here is, well, gotta move this down a little more. So all of this, I consider this a target, and then we also have above. We also have above as a target. Come on, give me out, give me out. Oh, go, 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 go. All right, finally seeing some money here. Man, what a struggle. All right, need to hot knife. We have POC at 66. You know, I think I'm going to front run this. I forgot to pay attention to POC. Maybe one more tick, just in case it wants to go and bounce off of POC and turn into a wave 2, which we are inside already. Oh, come on. Just saw some selling absorption, as we could see here on the sell pressure. And I have started to notice also that geopolitical news out of Israel has started to slow down the impact in crude. Same thing had happened at the beginning of the Ukrainian-Russian war. At first, it was impact, and now the market has started to absorb that. Oh, come on. All right, we may be seeing an ABC to the downside, and that would take out my first stop. But 44 could be an adding. Again, I'm not going to, but if I was only 3, I would have added. Man, I was looking good. I was up $400. So, if you haven't noticed, Christmas and New Year's Eve are the few holidays that are worldwide, right? If you're not a Muslim, a lot of Jews do celebrate Christmas, the gifting part of it. Okay, POC just moved down. I could be in trouble here. So, what does that mean? It means that volume will drop. Otherwise, every other country has their own holidays and banking holidays and whatnot. But worldwide, Christmas and New Year's Eve, like versus Thanksgiving, that's only in the U.S. So that doesn't affect the market except for the cash pit. All right. So POC now is down at 44. This may turn into a wave C down. It may want to test 30 again. I may join everything at 26. Yeah, so all of this here, this whole area here could be a wave 2. Ah, just erased everything. So this whole area here could all be a wave 2 to the upside. So that would act as resistance. But hopefully we're doing a wave 2 or a wave B inside of a wave 2 from here. That's what I'm hoping for. And this is actually like the bottom of a wave 2. So that would be from all of this here is a wave 2. So hit the bottom extreme of a regular wave 2. It could go as long as it doesn't pass 17. It could still be considered a wave 2, but the rule is this FIBO area here. Let's see what's happening on the indexes. They're going for new highs. So definitely no correlation with any of the major indexes. Man, I got so close to getting me out. How close did it get? 61? Ah! $31. Yeah, 38 through 31 needs to act as resistance. If it gets any lower, there's a significant chance that I may get stopped out. So this here would be the extreme end of either a wave 2 or a wave B down. Are they waiting for anything? What's happening tomorrow? Tomorrow there's consumer confidence. That could be a mover, and there's inventory. That's about it. Then on Friday we have final GDP and unemployment claims. And then we have PCE price index on Friday. Come on, buyers, get in there. So it looks like we're starting to build volume in here. So either it's going to be a launching platform to go and explore new prices, or it's going to turn into a outside, go, outside in. Give me out, outside in resistance area to go and fill in and make a perfect bell. Come on, go. Come on, test that prior POC. Let's go. All right, it looks like getting a lot of buys from a small lot and large lot. That was a very large sweep here. Obviously, we got to go and clear this wick here at 60. Hope this is not a retest of a wave 2. Find resistance and then boom. Come all the way down. All right, in this note, I'm going to have to go and join my stops just in case that this is a retest of resistance to come back down and do a test of the supply and demand area here. All right, back into positive. Come on, keep going. You know what? I'm going to go. Maybe I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to do this. But the real smart move would be to just go and clear everything at 64 and end my trading and go into MCL just for streaming. You gotta know when you're hot and when you're cold and when you're struggling. You can't be hot every day. But let's see. Go. Give me a one tick. Oh, man, come on. Give me out. struggling. This could be a clue. It's struggling. Look at that. Either we're going to go and pop and just rip right through, or it's struggling. So market is positive. Biggest momentum is to the upside. It almost switched for a second with this big drop here after hitting 78. But it's still to the upside. So I'm going with the trend. Have a target to the upside. Oh, look at that. All right, we may be having a little bit of a correlation with the NQ and the ES. Was there any news? Not seeing any news, but there was a significant pullback on the NQ. Very small range this morning on the NQ versus all of the others. Come on. I am tempted to go lower to 62. All right, iceberg. Let's see how big it is. That was a small iceberg, small hidden order. Here we go, here we go. Get me out. Come on, scale me off. There it is. Finally. Ah. Finally. Aggravation this morning. Oh, and here comes the pullback. All right, I'm going to have to go and move my stop to entry. This maybe could be a mistake. But it's just struggling. I need to see a 66. If I see a 66, I'll lower my stop again. Come on, keep going, keep going. Otherwise, there could be a short at 52. So there could be a short here. All the way down to at least go and test the bottom here. Or it may even go as far down as 74. Come on, keep going. So I want to see it clear this hot box here. Come on, come on. Here we go, here we go. All right. I'm going to give myself a little more room here on the stop. So I could have had my 66, huh? Oh. So obviously going to get retailers and some props going short, taking advantage of supply and demand. So obviously this is going to be an area to go and clear. Come on, make a new high. Let's go. Oh my God, finally some profits. All right, I'm going to bring my stop to entry. All right, let's see. Oh, here we go. Go, go, go. Woo! Wow. Big old fat order. Wow. What was that? That was about 150 lots right through. No, 200 and something lots. But look at the sell pressure. So made a new high. Come on, keep going, keep going. All right, this will definitely be my last trade on CL, and I'm going to switch over to MCL. Lucky to be seeing some profits. Man. For a second, I thought, okay, it's going to be one of those days I give money back. Go, 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 go. So again, hot target is 74.01. Just trying to front run this. And then 74.36, or can go as high as 47. I'll just be happy to get out alive here. So all of this is a target right here. I could even go as high as a 06 probably. Right, it may want to pull back here. We need to make a new violent new high. Needs to keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. All right, we got interest at 90. Ooh. Should I lower it to 90? There's 57 orders waiting at 90, but it's a whole bunch of small lots. It may want to pull back to 66. Right? Oh, go, 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 go! Oh, come on! One tick! You gotta be kidding me. Ah! All right, I'm gonna lower this. I'm out. One tick. I do not want to go and deal with that. Oh my God! One freaking tick. Ah. Yeah. If it doesn't pull back, I'm gonna be pissed. There it is. It's not gonna pull back. 93. There it is. I panicked. All right, well, I'm still up 1650. Went from negative. Hey, I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go and take a break here, and I'm gonna go and switch to MCL. Yeah, I'm not gonna take. Yeah, I'm gonna just celebrate that I'm positive. Green, green, green. Yeah, I'll be back, guys. Gonna go and take a little restroom break and switch everything over. All right, here we go. I was gonna do the live stream this morning, but I'm not feeling well. I'm not gonna do the live streaming. I'll hang around with you guys for give you guys a half hour, maybe even an hour more, but I'm not in the mood to do the live streaming. All right. So momentum, still the upside, still going. So lost about 4 to 5 ticks on my panic, but hey, went from negative to positive. So the ad at 44 was a great ad. Hopefully someone took along there and paid attention. Not a recommendation, but I would have added. So there's probably going to be a pullback at 74. It may want to test. Look at that. It's going to hit target. So it may want to test, I would say, anywhere between this right here, I would say. May go as far as the bottom here. May go as far as this right here. And there it is, target. So I could have had 12 ticks more in my trade. Not upset. Didn't want to deal. And iceberg. 50 lot iceberg. So don't know if we have a lot more here. This was a struggle. Struggle. Except for this last two candles here. Not last, but these two candles here. Yeah, I think they'll probably do a inside out. Not inside out. Yeah, outside out. Outside in. Outside in. Either go and test 88 or go and test 82. Anywhere in here. Or maybe even as far as where it launched. Or I could be wrong and it's going to go next target, 47. So what is this iceberg? Is it a block support at 74? Have they cleared trades? Are they going short? Let's see if we could figure out some clues. So if you recall, I said that it can go even as high as 6 from 01 to 06, and the high right now is 05. So we are at the top of that target. Beautiful run up. What is that? 60 ticks. So we'll probably see a pullback unless they start launching more icebergs. Oh, wow, look at you. Nice trades. That's the way to do it. Awesome. Yep. Nice trades. You should take those grids out of your chart. Makes it a lot easier with less noise, in my opinion. and maybe you like them. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so with this move here, we did see a little bit. I wasn't paying attention to my time in sales. We did have a little bit of activity in the very large players. There was 2 or 3 very large trades. All right, I want those AAA trades now. Don't want to give any of this money back. Very fortunate that I'm in the green. Preserve my capital. Let the market come to me. Market is up, so I want to look for a pullback to go long. Not going to take any scalps south because I still have a target up above. All right, just missed it here. Why didn't they? All right, I think I need to go and turn on and off my squawk box here because there was a Geo News and maybe I was excited, wasn't paying attention. But Yemen Houthi official tells Iranian TV that any country that moves against Yemen will have its ships target in the Red Sea. So that is just, you come at me, I'll attack. All right, it's saying reconnecting. All right, it should be back on now. All right. So expecting anywhere between 17 to 40 ticks pullback here. And here it is. It's starting. Let's see how far it wants to go. I believe that either stop at 93 or go all the way down to 88. So and there it is. 92. Let's see if it has a little more. So that's my pullback. Still not seeing signs that I would make me go long. And there it is, my 88. So I would be thinking about going long, not blind trade anywhere in here. All right, I'm going to take a long. Let's see if that pullback is done. So just looking for a 10-pointer, and I'm going to see if I can go and get lucky and hit that 36. Actually, I should get out at 04. All right. 04. Come on, get me out, get me out. So I would say go, go, go. 36 all the way to 26 I consider a target. So was this the pullback and it's done, or is it going to do a zigzag correction down and would end now to go and do another leg down and get to the bottom of this supply and demand area? Or this could be a small little wave 4 also to then finish a wave 5 to the upside. Nothing is clear. So I could still expect another 20 ticks down. So I consider this a high risk trade. But it's MCL and I'm willing to go and take the risk here. If it was a CL trade, I might have thought twice about it. And the reason is that we just hit a major dollar amount, 74. Obviously going to get retailers. Oh, I missed a couple a large lot trades. So it seems like very large lot bought everything back from this move here, just in one swoop. All of this was very large lot, 200 contracts in total. So that might leave a vacuum out of balance to go and do this my scalp. Come on. So I may have an opportunity to just exit here. Oh my God, it touched it, didn't it? Oh no, one tick. One tick. Might have. My opportunity to exit may have passed. Come on. Go, go, go. Give me out, give me out, give me out, give me out. Nice. All right. All right. So obviously we need to check out this. Oh, all right. Need a violent new high. You know what? I'm going to exit at 26. Actually, I'm going to front run it 24. But target anywhere between 26 and 47. If you guys recall, that was the previous target. So you want to chip, keep banking your money. You know, I could be saying, "Oh, I should have stayed on this trade. It looks like it's going up," and exploring and finding higher prices. But hey, look at yesterday. Yesterday, it pulled back $2, right? The high yesterday was 57 and went all the way down to 42, more than $2. You never know. You never know. So it's best to go and bank and keep adding chips than looking for these triple runs and grand slams, especially if you're on evaluation. You got to bank. And you guys don't know, I've forgotten to what day it is, but Apex has a 1-day evaluation now, limited time. So if you open up any new accounts, you could pass your evaluation in 1 day. But that, I think, it creates high risk because everybody's gonna be, just extreme trading, trying to pass those evaluations. So I think it's gonna be more of a money maker on their side, unless you are at that level that you're able to control yourself. Because I think it's very easy to pass a evaluation. The hard part is to maintain it and keep your profits. And look at that, very weak new low. And here we are retesting. I am tempted to go under 76, but not going to, because we may be rejecting 74. So I prefer to get stopped out and re-enter, because it could be a carbon copy of yesterday. May think about re-entering it at 76. So scaled off, gave some back, but still made money on my trade. All right, very large. Actually, all of them are selling. So very large lot has entered the market again. Just had the one order right here, but all of them all went short. So we are on a small out of balance. So it looks like it could be outside in, and it may find support here. All right, we could be on a wave 4. So this here could be a 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we are in the mid of this 4. So it could be a small wave 4 pattern. May go even a little lower. So all of this here is wave 4. But everything's not really lining up on a larger time frame. We may have just finished or still either a truncated 5 or we're still on a wave 5. And if we are still on a wave 5, then we're going to go and hit that 26. And an even smaller time frame, we could be doing a C down. All right, let's see if it wants to go and launch. There could be a long. There could be a long. So this may be a start of a wave 5. And that would then correlate with 2 time frames. So then now it starts to look exciting because this could be a long. We'll go all the way to target or at least finish truncated and go and test the high. Yeah, volume is dropping. Let's take a look at the indexes. So ES, new highs, Russell. Yeah, if I was to trade any of the indexes, Russell is out of the 4, the one that follows more of a pattern, more of my style of trading. But I have never really traded much Russell. I've taken trades here and there. I mean, not here and there. I've taken a lot of trades, but I've never, ever only traded the Russell. But I've made some good money in Russell. Yeah, and finally the NQ also went for new highs. So looks like the Russell is the only one that's holding out a little bit. So did that 74.1 hold? Are we going to still stay inside of yesterday's shadow? Or are we going to go for new highs? There's a chance that the market is waiting for crude report tomorrow, right? We have that. And there's also CPI. So major moves for the day may have ended. All right. Just in case we're starting a wave 5, I'm going to go for a long. Just in case. Let's see if we could front run this 26. Let's see if we could do a test of the high. Oh, here comes some selling. So need to obviously hot knife 74. They're selling again. So I need to be careful with a double zigzag. So in a smaller time frame, we did a zigzag down, and it could do a double zigzag down to go and test the bottom of wave 4. Or it found support right here at the top to go and launch. So I believe that in order to show that we are on our way back up, I think that we need to go and clear this area right here, or at least test it. So I could either exit everything at 04 but that would be a negative R&R. So I want to see if I can at least scale and hit that 26 target. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Hot knife that 74. Sell pressure. Buyers are getting absorbed. One large lot on the sell side went through. Small lots are selling. All right, 22. Another geo news. What is that? Marx says that CNBC interviewed that U.S. Red Sea task force to take a few weeks to get going. So that's not really geo news. Zelensky asking for more money. All right, come on, here we go. Hot knife, that's 74 already. Let's go. So I want to see signs that this is not an ABC down. So market is starting to show signs that it's struggling to find buyers above 74. Here we go. If we don't see it hit 76 and it pulls back to 86, it means I couldn't find any sellers. So I don't want to see an 86. On that note, I'm going to bring my stop up and I'm going to reduce one more takedown. Come on, here we go, here we go, here we go. Give me out, give me out, give me out. Hit me out, give me out. Go, go, go. Come on. Ah! Give me out. Yes! There we go. If we could all stop here. This is a maximum C. I'm going to have to bring my stop up. So risking 5 to make 34 and large lot just sold. Oh, they sold, large lot sold and got absorbed. Very large lot bought about, what is that, 100 lots. A whole bunch of very large lots. And we could see it right there. And they're buying again. And now a whole bunch of small lots are getting in the game also. But those pesky short retailers going short at this triple top. Hopefully they just go and clear as a scalp and they are done. Market makers, I believe, have already exited as far as a scalp, but it could always pick up momentum, right? All right, guys, I'm going to hang out for another half hour here and then I am done. Another successful day. Whew, thank God. Here we go, here we go. Need a violent new high. So again, all of this is all target. Here we go. Show me a 14 or 15. There's interest at 20. 87 orders. All small lot. You know, I'm going to exit at 20. There you go. 12. Small new high. Not what I want to see. You know what? I'm not. It's a whole bunch of small lots that. All right, very large lot entered. A couple of orders. I would like to see one large hit to go and hit that 20. Oh, 16. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, keep going. It could all pull back at 20 for 15 ticks and come and test 06. There it is. So I want to see all of these orders at 20 filled. I don't want to see any spoof. So they front running that high at 19. No one pulled their orders. No spoofing. All right, now we have some major players entering at 18 and 19. I have a feeling he's going to go and take me right out. Oh, one tick. Go, go, go. Oh, come on. Yeah, they got filled. That was all. And they added more, 135 trades exchanging hands. Here we go. Here we go. Give me out. Go, go, go. All right, guys, I'm going to exit. And I'm done for. Yes, 22. Woohoo! All right. Another nice day trading. There we go. Nice hit. Nice hit. Beautiful day. That is awesome. All right. Oh, very large lot entered. And it looks like market makers are absorbing all of these orders because they are selling. There's my 24. Nice trade. All right, guys, I am done. Woof. Hope you guys were able to take some of these trades. So, yeah, it was long at 44. Boom. So we could be on now ending a wave 5, and because this was a struggle. This was not easy task. Be careful staying long. Let's take a look here. Yeah, I would be afraid to stay long. Not Let's see what we got. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see it going higher. So I think that all of this here will be all resistance. 29. There it is. Boom. Oof. Oh! Huge sweep right into target. Wow. They may have front run at that 47. So, wow. Big. It was all large lot. They bought almost 450 contracts. All right, we're probably gonna see a pullback here. Look at that, right into the box. They may have front run at that 47. Wow. Wow, look at that. That was all. This is all an algo that just took that. All of these handles. Yeah. What is that? That is, yeah, that's 255, 338. Yeah, we could be done here. This could be the end of 5. So not a truncated 5, but an actual 5. So wave 4. One, two, three, 4, 5. Yeah, wow. Let me look at something here. So now we are correlating 2 time frames that this was 5. So let me take a look here. Yeah, looks like now which pullback is it gonna do now? Because on a extreme large time frame, this here is the start of 3 right here, and this is 4. But then on the lower time frame, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is it gonna do a pullback from the very large time frame and completely pull back into the 73s, or is it gonna do the lower time frame and come and test 74 area? Yeah, this was very difficult to do, and it seems like it was only able to do it because of the algo. Yeah, and here comes the pullback. Major pullback already. Look at that. So this here, yeah, it's going to get tricky. Be careful if you're still going to keep trading. Yeah, if it is on the smaller time frame, there could be a long. So yeah, that was all very large lots. So if it's a smaller time frame, if it ended, I mean, it could still do an extreme wave 5 on the longer time frame. But if it's done on the other time frame on a 7-minute or 5-minute, then the pullback is done and it would be long from 17 to go and explore new prices. What was yesterday's high? It is 61. I have a target of 57. Yeah, nothing is clear. I would be careful, but this may have been the pullback. I'm glad that I'm done trading. That's all I could say. If you made your money, shut it off and go enjoy the rest of your Tuesday like I'm going to. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully we correlated and you guys made money. I mean, I called that twice that long at 44. So I said I would add. I'm long. I would add again. So if you guys were seeing the same thing, you guys were, I mean, here we are. One whole dollar up, right? 73.44 to our high of 74.41. All right, guys, thank you, and we'll see you live in the Thunderdome. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.